Hi everyone, my name is Ruben, and I am a front-end developer. I am excited to share my knowledge with you all through my YouTube channel. My aim is to create short, informative videos on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which will help new students in their learning journey. Once we have covered the basics, we can move on to small projects to further enhance our skills. If you find this content interesting, please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell to be notified of all my future videos. Thank you for your support. Today, I will introduce the basics of HTML. If you're new to HTML, you may be wondering what it is exactly. HTML stands for Hyper Text Markup Language, standard markup language for creating web pages, describes the structure of a web page, consists of a series of elements, and tells the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as, this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. I'll display a basic HTML document. The doctype HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. Let's respond to the question, what exactly is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag, everything from the start tag to the end tag. For example, this is the H1 start tag, following content, and comes to the H1 end tag. This is altogether called elements. Some HTML elements don't have content, like the bar element, which is the line break element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements don't have an end tag. The purpose of a web browser is to read HTML documents and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the document. This is the web browser, and this is the HTML page structure. The content inside the body section will be displayed in a browser. The content inside the title element will be shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. Finally, I'll talk about editors. What do editors do? Editors are text editors are software programs that enable the user to create and edit text files. In the field of programming, the term editor usually refers to source code editors that include many special features for writing and editing code. Here are some popular code editor software options that are user-friendly and easy to work with. First one is Visual Studio Code. The Microsoft developed system is one of the best code editors on the market, and the best part is that it's open source. Comprehensive and flexible. VS Code closely resembles an integrated development environment (IDE), thanks to its ability to handle large and complex projects. Despite taking its sweet time to start up, once running, the software quickly handles an array of robust tasks. Thanks to its AI integration, VS Code generates auto-responses for code writing that are based on function definitions, essential modules, and variable types. It supports the common programming languages and frameworks, such as C, C++, and C, and also offers new ones like Node, JS, Rust, and Go. Its built-in terminal and Git support make it a fan favorite. VS Code is beloved by so many programmers. The second is Sublime Text 4. Sublime Text 4 is widely considered to be the best code editor overall, which justifies its price if you want to get the full benefits from the extended version. However, the free option suits a bunch of requirements for most software engineers. Sublime Text is known for its lightweight and ultra-responsive system thanks to its powerful API and package system, which makes it a popular choice for most engineers, and the fourth version is no different. It's hugely extensible, with a consistently growing number of available plugins that include customizable dashboard themes, Git plugins, code linters, and even color pickers, among many others. Third editor is Vim. A list of the best code editors wouldn't be complete without the inclusion of the old school and ubiquitous Vim. It originated from the 1976 Vi editor and is still being developed today. Legacy certainly counts. Considered by many to be an IDE in itself, Vim is popular with old school programmers and keyboard enthusiasts. As it comes with no UI, the program is navigated via the keyboard. This makes for fast and efficient coding if you level up your keyboard shortcut game to create customized commands for your workflow. Vim is included natively with Linux and Mac OS as a command line, and is also downloadable for Windows. It is known for its stability and speed, as well as for improving your coding productivity thanks to the completely finger dance nature of the keyboard setup. It supports hundreds of programming languages and file formats, has extensive plugin support, and has an incredibly low memory footprint. The last one is Atom. Atom is a new code editor from the highly acclaimed open source community, GitHub. This code editor has attracted many supporters, thanks to its flexible design, great optimization features, and the intense community support that allows users to become a part of the editor. A built-in package manager means all your coding can happen from within the code editor. This saves you time, and in turn, lengthening your periods of productivity. Those who want to write code fast will enjoy the autocomplete feature. It intuitively learns about your coding habits and the language you're coding in. This is the end of today's video. If you enjoyed the content, please like and subscribe. Thank you.